Today we brought home some junk that was trashed on the side of the road. We got 2 Toro mowers and this Honda pressure washer. Looks like it's a home light model, but powered by good old Honda. Yeah, it's my favorite out of the bunch. I think we're gonna start with this one and then move on to the mowers, but I'm not gonna put any money into these. We're just gonna pull them right out and start tearing into them, see if we can fix them for free. Yeah, let's make sure it's not locked up first. Oh yeah. I mean, it's kind of crazy. Who throws stuff like this away? Kind of boggles my mind. But check oil. Looking good. Felt like it had good compression when I was trying to pull it over. Pop the air box. Look at that. Looks brand new. Jesus. Alright. On, off, run, start. Looks like our fuel's on. Gas doesn't smell too old. Alright, well, with it being a pressure washer, got impellers and stuff down here, so I don't think I want to run this thing dry. So let's get it down off the truck, probably hook some water to it, and let's just see if it fires up. Alright, so we got our water hooked up, but before I pull it over too much, let's see if we're getting some spark here. Alright, we're getting great spark. Let's go ahead, disconnect this, pop it back in, see what happens. Pop that off, give it some start juice. Alright, so it's not one to stay running. Guessing something in the carburetor. So let's go ahead and pull that off and give it a clean. See if that fixes the problem. Okay, let's start with turning the gas off. Alright, and there she is. Let's take it to the bench, get it cleaned up. Okay, we about got it back together. Just a quick tip on checking this float valve. Just blow in here. Sealing perfectly. Alright, that's definitely doing something weird. Could be bad gas? I don't know. Let's drain the gas, fill it up with some fresh, and see what happens. Alright, we're topped off with fresh fuel, but just to make sure the float bowl has fresh fuel, we're going to shut the gas off. And then I'm going to take this bottom plug out again and just drain the gas that's in there. and then it'll fill up with some fresh. Alright, old gas out. Turn the fuel back on. On position. Sounds like it's clearing up a little bit. Let's try doing it. Yeah, that sounds way better. Oh yeah. Well, still doing a little surging, but seems like that cleared it up quite a bit. So I'm going to call this one a win. Let's move on to one of those mowers. Alright, first things first. Okay, we're not locked up. Go ahead, see what we got for gas. Oh, that was barely on there. Ooh, that is bone dry. Yeah, nothing in there. Check oil. Yeah, looks good. Smells good. Alright, well, let's fill it up with gas, see what happens. I'm not seeing any choke on this. Oh, ready start. No prime, no choke. All right, well, we'll see about that. All right, I just got to stop it right there. What? First pull? Are you kidding me? All right, well, do we move on to the other one? Let's try that again. One more time. All right, that one's too easy. Let's push it out and grab the other one. Alright, a little deja vu here. Check the gas. Got gas. Check the oil. Got oil. Alright, let's see if we'll get as lucky as the first one. Alright, no choke on this one. Looks like it's got the same ready start. No prime, no choke. Let's see. A little bit of a challenge. That's what I like. Let's pull this airbox. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, crusty looking. Alright, let's give it a shot of some starting juice. More. pull the carb, get that thing cleaned out. No fuel shut off, so let me see if I can get something that'll pinch this line. Well, I just took some vice grips, took some old hose, should work. There we go. Make sure we're actually flowing. Oh yeah, we're good. Spring up top. Remove that. Go ahead and remove this top one right here. 1/4 inch. There we are. Let's take it to the bench. Looks like we've got a 1/2 inch socket right there. Almost lost you guys. There we go. Ooh. That is not gas, that is water, my friends. I wonder this thing wouldn't start. Yeah, this one's pretty interesting. There's no screw to turn out here. I can't take any of the jets out, so best we can do is just send some air in there and hope for the best. Alright, let's put it back together. Okay, looks like that's holding. So this looks like it's the jet. This is what we need to clean. Yeah, there's a hole there, a hole there. There we go. Alright, looks like that's all of it. Yeah. I think I'm just going to leave that one off of here. We'll get a new one. Alright, what do you guys think? First pull, like the other one? Let's try it out. Self-propel is working a little bit. Let's take a look, see what's going on here. Not going to stick my hands in there, but here's a belt. Oh man, that thing is just hair thin. Yeah, it needs a new belt. New belt will get better self-propelledness. But I think we're going to call it good for this video. It is still light out, but in Alaska here it's about 11:30 at night, so we're gonna stop disrupting our neighbors. Appreciate you guys for watching, and if you see stuff like this side of the road, go ahead, pick it up. We got pretty lucky here, but you never know what you'll find. Catch you guys in the next one.